Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Scream in InVision Web Verse. First, ensure you understand the game's core mechanics, as this will greatly assist your journey. Next, identify all necessary prerequisites before you begin your quest for Scream. Finally, pinpoint the exact location or quest line that will lead you directly to this powerful ability. Following these steps will streamline your acquisition process. Before you can truly begin your quest for Scream, there are a few crucial steps. Your character needs to reach level 15 to even start the associated questline. Additionally, you'll need to gather 50 units of Echo Dust and 10 Void Shards, which are found throughout the Webverse. Make sure you've also completed the Whispering Caves storyline. It's essential for unlocking the next phase. Once prepared, head to the Spectral Nexus Zone, which you'll find on the eastern side of your map. Look for the Echoing Altar. Its precise coordinates are 34.7, 88.2. Interacting with it will summon the Phantom Guardian. Be ready for a tough fight. Defeating this formidable foe is the final step to successfully claiming the powerful Scream ability for yourself. Now that you have Scream, it's time to master it. You can activate this new ability using its designated slot, which is usually slot 3. Practice its timing in various combat situations to maximize its area of effect impact. Don't forget to visit your skill tree. Upgrading Scream there can enhance its power by 25%, making you even more formidable in the Webverse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.